Greetings and welcome to Game Design. In this 11-week course, we will take you through Code.org's Game Lab activities using JavaScript. So basically, you are going to program your own game throughout the course of each of these weeks. As you learn a skill, you'll be adding more and more to your game. As talk about that through the system, there's a few games you can't do, but pretty much the sky's the limit. Your biggest thing is you need to go in there and find the actual requirements and make sure you're looking at those, so when you go through, you'll think about all the things that your game needs to have. But with that, we're using JavaScript. You're going to learn a programming language, all while learning to design and program a game. So those are the major concepts through this, are the game design process, and then using JavaScript to learn how to code. Again, as I mentioned, you'll go through the whole entire course. There will be pieces of this that you won't do in Code.org, so pay attention to the directions. Like this piece, you're going to not necessarily do in Code.org. That's where we do our game, the game that you are going to design. And when you are all said and done, you will have your own game, much like this Pong game that you can see. It has artificial intelligence already moving the right angle, and then the user controlling, and you can pick to multiplayer as well, right? So you'll learn, again, the JavaScript, all the variables, functions, if statements you need in order to do so, and then you'll be able to program your own game. So obviously you won't be able to do Pong, but pretty much the sky's the limit for what you want to be able to do, as long as you understand what you can be able to do by the end of this game. And right off week one, we start talking about all of that. So quick summary, again, we're going to use the Code.org lessons. You're going to go through the activities. There's videos to watch, everything you need in order to make your way through. We will have our own projects in here where you'll build pieces of it. So start with a scene, then you get a little bit of movement, then you get a little control to it, right? You just keep adding more and more to your game until when you're all done, we're going to build that game into a final polished product at the end, and you'll turn it in. That's game design. Look forward to seeing you.